If you are learning video editing just for money, then you might earn few bucks. But sorry to say, my friend, you won't survive in this field. You will burn out, get bored, and waste months of your time. If you love creativity, love storytelling, and love making edits that actually hit hard, then this video is for you. And here's the good part. If you are smart and if you are consistent, then video editing can make you a lot of money. And no, you don't need to buy any expensive course for it. I have already made one for you using the best resources available on the internet. Now let's get into video editing roadmap that will turn you into pro in next 30 days. करते हैं फिर roadmap शुरू. Let's start with step 0. Let's be real. You can't expect yourself to open your laptop every day and magically have ideas. So what's the solution to be creative? Here's what you do. Spend 15 to 20 minutes every single day watching the quality content. Not mindless reels, but the edits with clean storytelling, bold transition, and crisp sound design. Watch music videos, short films, and if you like edit of any particular video, then save it in a playlist. Observe, absorb, and remix. Remix someone's other creativity with your own creativity. This one habit of observing will level up your creative sense more than any tutorial. And don't feel guilty about copying. When you take inspiration from someone and remix it with your own ideas, that's creative. And that's what they call steal like an artist. Now we are done with the step 0. Now comes the step 1. Choosing the video editing software. Look, most of the videos available on internet throw 10 software names to you. That's just annoying. I'll keep it really simple for you. Start with Premiere Pro and After Effects. They are industry standard. Most jobs and clients expect you to know them. If you are really serious, then learning these two softwares will unlock a lot of opportunities for you. We will talk about DaVinci Resolve later for color grading, but for now, just Premiere Pro and After Effects. And this roadmap is built around them. After choosing the software, now comes the step 2. Master the tool. And for this, I have made a full free course that is structured day-wise, and its link is in the description. And let me break it down for you. This course contains 3 modules. And from day 1 to day 10, we will complete the module 1. And module 1 is all about Premiere Pro, in which we will learn the interface, timeline, shortcuts, J-cuts, L-cuts, audio balancing, transitions, and we'll build projects in module 1 itself. Just remember one thing. Watching these tutorials will not make you a good editor. Editing will make you a good editor. So practice is very important. After spending 10 days in module 1, you will learn most of the things in Premiere Pro. And you can even start editing full-fledged videos. And on day 11, we will shift to module 2. That is learning After Effects. See, there are infinite things in After Effects software. And for After Effects, we will use 80-20 rule. There is no need to learn everything. We will focus on the 20% part that can give us 80% results. From day 11 to day 20, you will learn After Effects. You will learn smooth transitions, motion graphics, masking, tracking, and a lot of animation. And from day 21 to day 30, you will make a lot of real world projects. You will edit like you are editing for your client. And if you want your edits to actually stand out, then learn these 5 things with time. Because you can't learn these things quickly. These things take time. Number 1 is sound design. A good sound make average visuals look cinematic. Second is design sense. As a video editor, you must be knowing design, because a lot of design sense is used in video editing. And third is typography. Good text is equal to good communication. Bad font just kill edits. Learn the concept of font pairing. Fourth one is color grade. Understand LUTs, contrast, warmth, and consistency. And fifth one, and the most important, is storytelling. Every edit tells a story. Even a 15-second reel can convey a lot. I have already mentioned the resources of almost all the things. So following this course will let you know everything you need. And by completing these 2 modules in 30 days, you will become a video editor. Professional video editor. But that's not enough. And here comes the module 3. By now, you have skill. Now you need proof of your work and clients. But here's the mistake that 90% of video editors make. They make a Google Drive folder and call it portfolio. Sorry to say, but that's not a portfolio, and that look really cheap. In module 3, I'll tell you how to create a real portfolio that look professional, what to include in that portfolio even if you never had clients, and where to find freelancers, and how to message potential clients without sounding like a spam. But this module is locked. You just need to help this video to hit 1k like, and I'll provide this module for free. And final note, if you want to become a professional video editor, don't waste time chasing random tutorials. I have already done the digging. I built a day-wise roadmap using only the best tutorials by the different creators over internet, and it's totally free. Follow it for next 30 days and you will definitely get ahead of most of the video editors. And if you like the video, and if you like the effort, then smash that like button. Share this video with someone who needs this. Please subscribe Kanda Speaks. Let's grow Kanda Speaks, and I'll keep dropping crazy value. See you in the next one.